Hey, Mike.
Hey, Chris, how's it going?
Good, how are you doing, buddy?
Good.
Man, I love our neighborhood.
This is such a fantastic neighborhood. Look at all the mature landscapes.
I know.
Amazing.
I'm so glad you're here now. It's like a peaceful oasis here.
It is, it sure is.
We should sell a unit here.
100% we should.
I've always loved this unit. Let's sell this one.
Amazing.
All right.
Let's do it.
I'm Chris Pierce.
I'm Michael Reel.
We're right here at 268A Evergreen Drive, right here in our neighborhood in Port Moody. And this is a beautiful area, guys. This unit is fantastic. A 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, almost 2,000 square foot townhouse with tons of private outdoor space. This is a true gem and you really need to see it. So come on in and take a look.
Welcome to the mountain. Welcome to the mountain. Illusion, confusion, grandeur is a powerful delusion. When there's nowhere left to go. Look back, the wrong path, tired of running up an avalanche. So if you're feeling cold, welcome to the mountains.
Thank you so much for joining us on the video tour for this truly special listing of ours. What are you doing, Mike?
Just enjoying this gorgeous patio.
No kidding. We're the PR Properties Real Estate Group, and we are so excited to show this to you. So call us, email us, text us. You know what to do. We'll see you guys soon. We're excited about it.
Take care.
Equal parts tragic to be dancing in a thunderstorm. We're dancing in a thunderstorm.